Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing, tech trends and how to make money online. I know you will gain so much value from this current video and other videos on my channel. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and then click the like button. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today, 5 websites that pay you in dollars. Quick one. Number 1, Swagbucks. Number 2, featurepoints. Number 3, Inboxdollars. Number 4. You want to know number 4? Click the like button. I'm going to tell you about number 4. Let's go over it again. Swagbucks. Number 2, featurepoints. Number 3, Inboxdollar. Number 4, Freecash. Number 5 is my favorite. Number 5, freebies. How do you use this website to earn in dollars? This website allows you to be able to do online jobs by answering survey questions, and some of them allows you to use your social media channel. If you check the description button below, you will see the links that will take you directly to this website. And then I'm going to tell you how to use this website right away.
Yes, so you see Swagbox. When you come to Swagbox, you discover that you can earn money from just playing games, installing applications, or you can even earn money from shopping. I'm going to go over now and try to do a survey, and then you're going to see how it goes. So these are different games you can play on Freebies on Swagbox, and then you will be able to earn on Swagbox. So if you come over now to the Swagbox, I want to do a survey now. You see here that you must actually go through all the information there to ensure that you obey the instructions, and then you will be able to go ahead. So if you click on the surveys, you are going to check the box there about the surveys you want to do, and then you'll be able to go forward. So the survey is loading now, and then you have this 21 minutes to be able to do the survey. So if you don't have the time to do the survey, you discover that you can do another survey. Just ensure that you provide the correct answers for every survey, and then when you work on Swagbox, you hear what we call you earn Swagbox bonus. So here you have 125 Swagbox bonus for you to be able to do this assay, this survey, and then you see this is the highest, and then it complement with the time. There are other ones you spend 15 minutes, there are other ones you spend 16 minutes, 10 minutes, and then all of that. Now, this account now has just a few Swagbox bonus. You see on this my account here, I have 12 Swagbox bonus. You can convert this Swagbucks bonus to dollars, and then you'll be able to withdraw your money in dollars. If you come down to the end of the website here, you discover that you can withdraw your money through PayPal. If you don't know how to open a PayPal account, possibly you are in Nigeria or some other countries where the PayPal account you are able to open normally is just a one-way PayPal account. You can only send, you cannot receive. Check through this channel. I have videos on this channel that allows you to be able to know how to open your working PayPal account from start to finish. Follow the guide. It's a complete video that guides you on how to create your PayPal account, and then you would be able to get your account set up, and then you'll be able to withdraw money in PayPal. Let's go over now to number 2. Number 2 is feature point. On feature point, you discover that you can get rewarded for surveys, cashback, and several other things you need to do. So what you just need to do is to sign up with your Facebook, or sign up with your Google account, and then you will be able to earn. If your country is not listed among the countries where you have feature points allowed to be used, then you can try other options. Another one is inbox dollars. Now, on inbox dollar, you discover that I just did a little work, and then I have 1.26 pounds here from working. So you have other service there. You have 0.18 pounds on service, 0.16 pounds on service, and all of that. So here again, where you have more products, more money to be earned is where you have products. You can do product review, you can download applications, and then you will be able to earn in dollars. You can also earn from referring your friends. on inbounds dollars or inbox dollars or inbox pounds. They were actually called inbox dollars before, and now they are known as inbox pounds. And then you need to earn. It is completely legit. Now, number three is for you to be able to use, number four now is for you to be able to use free cash. On free cash, you can also earn money, get paid for much more, earn up to $3.78 per offers. You have 81 offers available now, and yesterday, 50,000 plus dollars was withdrawn from this platform. So if you click on the earn button here, you see that you will be able to earn from all these features. Either you install applications or you play games or you even review products. So you have a lot of surveys that are waiting for you there. You have surveys from BitLabs, you have 80 surveys from BitLabs, you have Paulfish surveys, you have Tap Research, you have InBrain.ai surveys. All of these surveys are here and waiting for you to do them. And some of these surveys just answer questions, review questions on the products you know, or even some products you have not even known. You can look them up online and then you will be able to earn from there. You'll be able to earn from there. Don't forget I told you that number five is my favorite. Now, if you are in Nigeria or other countries in Africa or even outside Africa, you can earn from freebies and then you'll be able to cash out. Freebies already pays you 10,000 naira daily on social media jobs, but I want to show you something very, very important here. You will see here that you can withdraw your money in dollars. You can withdraw your money in dollars. The withdrawal limit is 500 naira, which is just about half a dollar. And then if you are able to meet up with that, you are able to withdraw your money into your PayPal account, and then you see there. This platform also have referral opportunities. Once you sign up, you have 1,000 naira as a bonus for you, where you can use it to hire online workers. You can also use it to get jobs. On this platform, you can also buy recharge cards. You can make money from online jobs on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and on Twitter. So don't miss these opportunities to make money online. Now, I believe you learned so much, you gained so much value from this video. Please kindly ensure you hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. I share tricks and tips on digital marketing, on tech trends, and how to make money online on this channel, and that would help you really, really good. All these platforms I am recommending to you, they are actually real. Swagbucks, FeaturePoint, Inbox Dollars, Freecash, and Freebies. These platforms are real and genuine, and then you can use them. Don't try to play smart when you are using them. Follow all the instructions and do them right. They are not scamming websites. They are sites that really pay you, and then you'll be able to make money online. Bye and see you next time. Please hit the like button and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you next time.
Please do well to subscribe to this channel and then click the like button. Thank you.